As I exposed the land for votes corruption scandal yesterday, the government of Zimbabwe has issued this notice to sanitize the corruption scandal, yet confirming my exposure yesterday. Sanapinda mashikombera tobva panapa naubotshwa pamusoro pekuexposa maministers ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa avakomana havatengesi, and panapa tiri kuona kuti the government inoproducewo mastatements ari kuonekwa kunzi ari kusapota their own corruption nekuishiwa kweland kuri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa it is just a move yekuconsolidate their own power kuti varambe ari on to power waya vachiisa nemitemo the constitution of Zimbabwe kuti vasapote corruption yavo noti vasubscribe like on the bell icon. Tinoenda panapa paHendo X panodaonekwa kuchinzi yesterday some opposition members of parliament joined ZANU-PF MPs at the Mobarane district office to receive government-owned land in exchange for voting against the impeachment of President Mnangagwa for supporting his extension of his term of office. They've also been promised that their terms will be extended to 2030 following the scrapping of the 2028 elections, along with a $200,000 sweetener for supporting Mnangagwa against impeachment and backing the extension of his term. All ZANU-PF members of parliament are receiving the land. Some opposition MPs are having cold feet after I exposed the corruption scandal. Thomas Kwanamuda panapa ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa vakomana ava vari kuuya vachipiwa mazakwatira emari land nekuextendiwa kwematerms avo in office vachinzi since takauya tikabvisa ma2028 polls panguva inoi their terms they are now being extended to 2030, which means there are now more opportunities kuti vauye vachiwana more money. Inoda kuti the more the regime is being threatened, the more these people they are being used kuti vauye vasapoti mutungamiri wenyika uye vanenge vatona maopportunities akawanda ekuramba vachiwana this corruption opportunities vachiwana mari vachipiwa land. Modze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko chipinda comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.